Hi, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Stephanie. I am a classically trained pastry chef. Today, I'll be showing you how to make an almond flour cake. This recipe creates a moist, tender cake made with finely ground almond flour instead of traditional wheat flour. It has a delicate crumb and a subtly nutty flavor. As an added bonus, it's ideal for those avoiding gluten in their diets. First, combine the dry ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups almond flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Stir these ingredients together until well combined and set this bowl aside for later. Place 4 room temperature eggs and 1/2 cup granulated sugar in a mixing bowl. Mix on medium-high speed until light, fluffy, and pale in color. The mixture should form a ribbon-like trail when the beaters are lifted, and the volume should be almost doubled. Add 2 teaspoons of amaretto and mix for about 20 seconds. The amaretto is optional and may be replaced with vanilla or lemon extract. Fold the almond flour mixture into the whipped egg mixture. Use a gentle motion when folding to prevent deflating the egg foam. Line an 8-inch round baking pan with parchment paper. This prevents the cake from sticking to the bottom of the pan. Pour the cake batter into the pan. Gently tap the pan on your countertop to remove any air bubbles. Then sprinkle sliced almonds on top. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. After baking, cool the cake completely and unmold from the pan. Dust with 2 tablespoons powdered sugar, slice, serve, and enjoy. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.